your iPad as a personal hotspot when you need Wi-Fi on the go. Here's how. First, tap Settings. Then tap Personal Hotspot. Here you can turn on Personal Hotspot and set your Wi-Fi password. Now tap Wi-Fi password to customize it. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and can consist of both uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and some punctuation marks. Once you've entered your password, tap Done. Now that your device is set up as a personal hotspot, you can activate it more quickly in the future with Control Center. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access Control Center, or if you're using an iPhone X, swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen. Now you can firmly press the network settings card to see more features like AirDrop and Personal Hotspot. Personal Hotspot will now be turned on, but you can return to Control Center to turn it off in the future. Next, on your Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Look for your personal hotspot in the drop-down menu and connect. You can also connect your devices via Bluetooth or through USB. Now you can connect wherever you are.